Hi everyone, welcome to Coco Beats! I'm back with another easy peasy idea for you. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful and lovely bracelet. Are you ready? Yes? Let's go for it then! No, you are not dreaming. It's really that easy to make. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up, get your supplies and give it a go. I'm sure you'd love it. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more creative DIY jewelry. And if you don't want to miss anything, remember, switch the notification bell. Remember, we have a date next Saturday. I'll be waiting for you with another incredible idea. Love you so much and hope to see you soon in this same channel. Bye!